Where are you, Where are you, Ranle?
Oh my God.
Bro, it's not light.
Oh, what the hell? Ayun.
Bro, just run.
No.
Bro, I heard you.
What the hell?
So guys, we're getting after 3 minutes we have part 2 here, guys. Then watch the part 2 episode, guys. Okay? I'm hearing something big. Of course, the part 2 we have a house na. I think, guys, naglalaga. Oh shoot. Don't Bye-bye, Clema. Bye-bye. People rang
Aray. Aray. Aray ko. Aray.
Ale! Takbo. Malapit lang ako dyan. Slide.
Uy, may bahay. May bahay. Wala na. May nakita akong bahay.
Takburan le! Bunta ka dun sa bahay! Go, go, go!
No, you listen.
No! Bro, you die?
Yep. Yep.
Oh nah, this guy needs to kill him up! No cursing today, guys.
No. Ah?
You, may annoying pinsan is now,
Knock, knock.
Yes,
Let's go. No.
go away.
Ay, ito. May bahay dito.
Bro, this guy is not
Bye-bye. May bahay dito. Wow. This one.
Bro, wait! Bro, call me. Like that. Bro's running! Bro, help me! Bro, I see him, bro.
May ng bahay.
Bro, help me, bro. Bro. No! No, I don't wanna die.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
No, I don't want to die.
Store is now closed. Please exit.
No! So guys, bye guys! Go to part 2 na, guys. Goodbye!